Mpenzi mtazamaji wa runinga ya Kisi Hot, ningependa kukaribisha katika siku hii ya leo. Siku ya leo Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance wameweza kutoa press release ambayo wanasema kwamba siku ya Jumatano hawatakuwa na maandamano kote nchini, lakini ila tu watakuwa na mpango wa kuhakisha mishumaa kila sehemu, ama to light candles in all parts of the country for the police brutality victims. So kwa hivyo ningependa nikaweza kukusomea press release ambayo imeweza kutolewa siku hii ya leo na Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance. Vigil for the police brutality victims. Since the last violent lockup of our peaceful protest by police and goons, Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance has taken time to get as complete a picture as possible of the pain inflicted on protesters. While the exercise is incomplete and remains ongoing, a clear picture has emerged of massive casualties. So far, we have at least 50 deaths and hundreds admitted in hospitals with grave injuries. Many hospitals have been instructed not to disclose the numbers of casualties or deaths or even admit victims of police brutality. Many are therefore nursing their injuries at home, while others have had their death go unrecorded. Many families are struggling with bills as a result of the brutal police assault on members. It is clear we are dealing with an unprecedented phenomenon of police brutality and the state resorting to armed militia to quell protests. We have visited hospitals and morgues, and we have established that police and hired gangs have shot and killed or wounded scores of people at close range. Some have been shot on the park as they were fleeing, all at a position of surrender. The shots have been aimed at the vital organs and delicate parts of the victims, like the abdomen, the spine, the chest, and the head. All the victims have been unnamed. We have reason to believe that at the end of the exercise of collecting data, the number of the dead will be in the hundreds and injured in the thousands. In light of the above, Azimio la Umoja has made the decision that on Wednesday, rather than go to the streets for a peaceful demonstrations as earlier announced, we will hold the solidarity parades and vigil for victims of police brutality in various locations in all parts of the country. We are calling Kenyans to come out and light candles and lay flowers in remembrance of and respect for the victims. During the vigils, candle lighting and laying of flowers, we encourage Kenyans to say prayers and read out the names of the victims of police brutality. We shall provide the list of the victims in the time for the exercise. We ask the religious leaders and the people of Kenya to extend this important exercise by dedicating Friday, Saturday, and Sunday for prayers in remembrance for the victims of police brutality during the past peaceful demonstrations. We ask Kenyans to pray also that the International Criminal Court takes up the matter based on the expanded list of penetrators that we intend to furnish with the court with in due course. End of the statement.